Welcome back. You're now on Module 2 of our Cybersecurity course. In this session, we'll dive deeper into the dark side of the digital world, the methods cyber attackers use, the types of hackers you should know about, and how you can protect yourself from becoming their next target. Let's begin. There are several ways cybercriminals can target individuals and businesses. The most common ones are phishing. You receive a fake email that looks genuine, but it's designed to steal your passwords or OTP. Ransomware. Your system is locked, and you're asked to pay money to get it back. DDoS attacks. Hackers flood a website with traffic until it crashes. SQL injection. Attackers break into databases through poorly coded forms. Zero-day attacks. These use unknown flaws in software before developers can fix them. Most people fall victim not because of weak tech, but because of human error. Not all hackers are bad. They're categorized as white hat hackers, the good guys. They test security systems and help companies stay protected. Black hat hackers. These are criminals who steal, destroy, or sell your data. Grey hat hackers. Somewhere in the middle. They may break rules but don't usually cause harm. In fact, ethical hacking is now a growing career path. Let's look at the typical attack process. Reconnaissance. They research the target. Scanning. Search for weak points like open ports or leaked credentials. Gaining access. Use a vulnerability or trick the user. Maintaining access. Install malware to keep control. Covering tracks. They delete logs or mask their activity. It's a complete cycle, and most of the time, the victim never even knows what hit them. Here are a few real examples to make it more relatable. The WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017 affected hospitals, banks, and businesses in over 150 countries, causing billions in losses. In 2021, Domino's India saw 13 terabits of customer data leaked, including names, phone numbers, and even GPS locations. Indian businesses have lost crores to business email compromise, where hackers use fake invoices or employee IDs to steal money. These are not just tech stories. They're real events with real consequences. Hackers don't always need fancy tools. They just wait for you to make a mistake. Here's what they look for: weak passwords. No antivirus or firewall. Using public Wi-Fi without protection. Old or outdated apps. Clicking suspicious links. Plugging unknown USB drives. Cybersecurity starts with awareness, not just software. Let's keep it simple. Here are 10 things you can start doing right now. Create strong, unique passwords. Use two-factor authentication. Don't click on unknown links or attachments. Install a trusted antivirus. Avoid public Wi-Fi or use a VPN. Keep your software updated. Avoid oversharing personal info. Back up your data regularly. Always log out after using public devices. Stay aware and cautious. Cyber hygiene is like brushing your teeth. Do it daily to stay safe. Quick recap. We learned about various cyber attacks and how they work. You now understand the roles of different types of hackers. Real-world examples showed how devastating attacks can be. And most importantly, you now have 10 practical tips to prevent them. Remember, cybersecurity is not optional, it's essential. Want to put your learning into action? Join the JIP Job-Oriented Industrial Project Program by Growth Mandi, where you'll work on real-world cybersecurity case studies. Learn practical tools like VPNs, password managers, threat simulators. Get a certified internship plus build a project portfolio. Receive placement support access to our private job alert group. Boost your resume and get career guidance from experts. Enroll now or Google JIP by Growth Mandi. Don't just learn cybersecurity, live it, apply it, and build your future with it.